And we're going to learn the technique how to paint a beautiful leaf. And we're going to use wet into wet. So first we're going to take care of the space for the leaf, and then we're going to also include the catch the shadow over here. You can use the graphite pencil to draw all the shapes before you start watercolor painting. I'm just going to use my finger to draw where's the area, where's the catch the shadow, and I'm going to paint the leaf over here, so leave the space for catch the shadow over here. I'm going to start with the red color. I'm going to just take the red color, and this is Edway. I'm going to use lots of water, but I don't want it to look too light, so you have to use lots of color, lots of paint with lots of water. I'm going to put it right over here. Don't worry, if you make a mistake, it's fine. Okay, maybe right over here. Good. Now I'm going to start just paint the shape like that, and I can fine-tune the edge a little bit later. Okay, like this. Just look at the shape, the big shape. The bottom of the lid, I want it to be here, so I'm going to open this a little bit more. Now what I want to do, I'm going to fill in lots of color in it. Now we just got the shape, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill in the red color. Also put a little edge like that. Okay, this is the area for the red. Don't let it dry yet. And what I want to do over here, I'm going to lift up a little color over here because I don't want too much red in this area. So what I want to do, I'm going to pick the yellow color. I'm going to pick the yellow color, put it right in the middle. You see that? Let's go wet into wet. Two wet color now merge together. Just take the yellow color, just put it in. Okay, like this. Now you can see, it's the whole area is wet. Wow. I'm going to put a little yellow color here too. Let the color merge together. This little yellow color here. And now also, I'm going to put a little red, this color here. And what I want to do now, I want to make more yellow color. So have a little bit more yellow color. I want to have it here. Like a purple color. I'm going to take the red over here, get a little blue. And these two colors together can make a really dark color. See that how dark the color is? Here we go. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to just drop this color in here. When it's still wet. Like this. Okay, a little bit over here when it's still wet. A little bit at this tip. You really need to have fun. Like this. You can drop a little bit at the tip over here. You have to do that when the area wet. Enough wet. Got it? Okay, right here. Make a little sharper. Like that. That's good. Now also drop in a little red color over here. Hopefully you're gonna have fun painting leaves. Just go outside and then find some leaves and bring it home, and then you can paint like this. I'm gonna put a little bit more red in here. Another color slowly getting dry, okay? But while it's still wet, you want to do anything that you can. A little bit like light brown colors. I'm gonna take this color, get a little yellow color, and take the yellow color from the side, and like this. A little bit, get a little blue, so a little bit more like a brownish color. I'm gonna drop in here. Okay, like that. That's fine. A little bit more water, like this. A little bit like this. Each leaf is different, right? Now we have it here. I'm going to mix this blue color into the red, and I'm going to put it over here again. I'm going to make it a little sharper. See that? That's really dark. Like this. A little sharper. Like this. That's good. I want that to be the darkest. I want to also, I'm going to leave up a little wet in here. That's a little bit too wet, because if I have this too wet, when I put the dark color in here, it automatically getting lost with that. I'm going to add a little bit over here too. That's good. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use the toothpick. I want to show you. For the veins, it's darker. But you know what? I'm going to start over here. It's just going to draw on the wet. Is that magic? Look at where's the direction. And on this side, because you make the indentation on the paper, so you make the area accumulate, taking more colors stay together. And you can do that very easily. Pay attention. I don't want you to just write really fast like this. In that case, it looks too smooth. I'm going to start painting the stem. Now, what color is it? It looks like a dark red purple color. So I'm going to get the red color and mix it into here. I don't want it to be too thick. Okay, make a little bit lighter like this. This is the color. Okay, it's good. Now I'm going to start over here. Ready? Look at that. Look before you do. Okay, like that. And I'm going to put a little dot over here, a little dot over here, maybe a little bit more. The whole area is still wet, so you can drop some color in it. Okay, what we're going to do next, we're going to wait until it dries. It's ready. We're going to start paint the catch the shadow. So we're going to mix, here look at this color. This color very close. Mix the blue color with the red color. Now in here, have lots of water in it. Now let's see. I'm going to paint the big area, like here. Start from here and then render the shape, like this. Okay, coming on this side. And then where's the other side? Right here. Connect this together. Make sure you have enough water. We have this color all connect together. Now I'm gonna get closer and closer to the leaf, and the color get warmer and warmer. Make the color a little bit darker. Get a little red, a little bit more water. Here you go. Let's see. The edge of this start over here, and I know it's gonna have a little bit more red, but let's paint this color first. Make a little wet area so it's easier to connect the color. Okay, like this. That's good. Now what I want to do, I'm gonna add a little bit red color. Now add a little red color from here. A little bit more red. That's good. Like this will be much warmer. Okay. I'm gonna see. Coming, connect over here. And when you squint your eye, you can see the value in the catch the shadow. It actually looks darker than the leaf. So making sure that the value is correct, match. The outside is darker. Right now, the inside and the outside looks very similar. So I'm going to use a little bit smaller brush. Now I'm going to make the color a little bit darker. Like this. This much darker. Okay, it's good. We're going to see. Now the outside is darker than the inside. Like this. I'm gonna start lifting off a little colors to create a little bit more contrast between the leaves in this area and the catch the shadow. Let's see. Now you create a little bit more contrast. I leave a little light color over here too. Now I add a little bit yellow color back to it, so it doesn't look too dry. And finally, I'm gonna apply some dust in the leaf area, especially in the center over here. To prepare for that, I'm going to mask other area. This step, you have to do that after everything dries. Use the toothbrush. Just mix this color together. Be a little bit more blue. That's good. That's pretty dark. Now this painting is finished. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and turn on notification by check the bell. And the next video come out, you will receive the notification. See you in my next video.